Okay, so now we have 2 helpers here for our next recipe. The next recipe is easy microwave cheddar biscuit in a mug recipe. Again, this is another microwave recipe because we are working with microwave cooking. Washing our hands. So the ingredients that we're going to need for this one is 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cold butter, 4 tablespoons of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated cheddar cheese. For our instructions, it says in a small mug or bowl, mix together flour, baking powder, parsley, garlic salt, and Old Bay seasoning. Then step 2 says you're going to chop the butter into small pieces and mash it into the flour mixture with a fork. This will make the flour look crumbly. Step 3 says your butter should be mixed in well and add the milk and stir in until a batter forms. Step 4, gently mix in the grated cheddar cheese. Add only a few extra pieces to the top of the batter if you like. Step 5, microwave for 2 minutes. If you have your microwave at 1,200 watts, it cooks perfectly at 140, or you can put it in for less time. And then it says enjoy immediately. It's time to get out those ingredients. In a small mug or bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, parsley, garlic salt, and Old Bay seasoning. Next, chop the butter into small pieces and mash it into the flour mixture with a fork. This will make the flour look crumbly. Xander's chopping the pieces of butter into small pieces. We're mashing the butter into the flour mixture. You could consider this cutting the butter into the flour mixture. This will make the flour look crumbly. Once the butter is mixed well, add the milk and stir until the batter forms. Gently mix in the grated cheese. Add a few extra pieces to top the batter if you like. Microwave for up to 2 minutes. If your microwave is at 1,200 watts, it will cook perfectly at 1 minute and 40 seconds. Start with less time and cook for longer if you need. All right, so what did you think of the Cheddar Bay biscuit?
It was alright. It was okay. It tasted very garlicky.
What did you think?
It was alright.
Is there anything you'd make different, or?
It needs more liquids.
Needs more liquids, so maybe add a little bit more milk to it. Thought it was dry.
Anything you change about it?
I would probably add a little bit more liquid to it also. Maybe a little bit more butter.
Nice.
But the consistency isn't like, consistency is not great. Thanks for tuning in to our tutorial of the microwave Cheddar Bay biscuit.